Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at India? Yeah, the country India. This is the iShares MSCI India Index, ticker INDA. Now, I don't know too much about India, to be honest. I live in Canada, so, I do have some friends who are from India, who are business owners, my neighbors next door, actually. And so, I have a general sense of the people, love the people. And obviously, we have the news of India landing on the moon, which is pretty amazing. So, as I was scanning through some of my ETFs today, I saw the India ETF, and I'll be honest, this chart looks pretty good. It's been on a nice uptrend since March, ran up that orange line. That's the daily 8 exponential period moving average. A few dips underneath, they brought it back up, and it just kept going and going and going. Recently, we had a test of the red line. That's the 50-day moving average, and it successfully tested that area and is marching towards the high from back here in July. And so I think India could be on the brink of a breakout if it's able to get above and stay above, let's say that 44.75 level, somewhere around there. So I'm going to set an alert on my software right around that 44.75 and look for a strong move through that level coming on volume. Now, this doesn't move a lot, so I think it's probably more or less for a long-term position trade or that kind of thing, not really kind of a swing trade idea. But if you're looking to diversify into maybe other countries that you can't exactly buy their stocks because they're not listed on the NASDAQ or whatever, definitely check out the INDA ETF and look for that breakout above 44.75. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, take a 14-day trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.